Hello and good day. In this video, I am going to dissect this beautiful song by Mbeu. The title of the song is called Mavanga. In this song, Mbeu is describing the challenges of life. It is about a person who finds themselves on the wrong side of life. He says, "Andiwo upenyu wandaishuwira nekudawo," meaning that this is not the type of life that I wished and planned for as I was growing up. He had high hopes of a better life. Now he is living a life of regrets and lack. He is depending on handouts from well wishers. We see this when he says, "Kupema nekukumbira andizvo zvandaidawo." The life experience has left him or her with lots of physical and mental scars, and people have been judging him in a negative light. He explains that he didn't ask for all these scars when he says, "Mavanga andinawo, andina kumakumbirawo, maronda andinawo, andina kuzvitsvagirawo." It's a case of bad luck or something like that. Then he goes on further and says, "Ndakaendawo kuchikoro ndichiti ndaita zvine musoro." Here we see that he also had a good education like the rest of us, but life has treated him so unfairly that even his education is not helping him at all. In a sad development, he even finds himself locked away in prison for crimes that he didn't even commit. He found himself being at the wrong place at the wrong time when he says, "Akandazokaimba ndiri muchitorongo, ndatongerwa usiri wangu mutongo." The hopelessness he feels is captured powerfully when he says, "Ndave rombe handisisina chishongo," meaning I'm now just a destitute without any dignity left. At last, we see he is now looking in the heavens above for divine intervention. He is asking for wisdom and discernment from the Lord. Uchenjeri nemazano ndimi munazo. He is crying to his maker to be unentangled from the mess that his life is in. Mumatope azere minzwa diamond buritsawo. We do not get to the finality of the situation, and we can only hope that the character in the song got his face shake on life in the end. The song takes us on a journey to appreciate our lives whilst also remembering those less fortunate than ourselves. If you can make someone's life better, please do. You might be the answer to someone's prayers. Please share, like, and subscribe. Cheers.